who can it be? A fresh El Camino rolling Kilo G. He rolled down his window and he started to say, it's all about making that GTA. Cause the boys in the hood are always hard. You come talking that trash, we'll pull your card. Knowing nothing in life but to be legit. Don't quote me, boy, cause I ain't said shit.
Okay, nothing like some good music to get the juices flowing. Got some chart patterns to look at here. Starting off just with the basic. Had some pretty remarkable action today. So I just want to see how we were looking yesterday. We sat right on top of this confluence of, we had a bull flag sitting on top of that, inverted head and shoulder neckline. Um, Not getting close to the inverted head and shoulder targets or any of the upward targets, and popped out of this ascending triangle as a false break, came down, sat right here on support and gapped. Just remarkable move lower. I'm quite pleased, actually. It's a good thing for the markets to have a good correction now. And well, so far it's just a pullback, sitting at 6% right now. I'm not going to start calling it a correction yet. Just want to note a few things. The tweezer top up here, and that, blending these two candles, that's a, that marked a range right there. Okay. We had some ranges that we just flew below, and now since we've broken this symmetrical triangle or ascending triangle, now coming to the bottom of this bull flag, but this break right here opens up this head and shoulders here, and this is the neckline. Okay, let's look at that head and shoulders here. Okay, and that's the measurements I'm looking at. So it looks to me that this pattern's showing 1510 to 1560 as a range, and let's close. So I'm opening up some hit me on the head hammer. These, don't put a lot of stock trading with moving averages, but I like to look at them for landmarking prices. Kind of get an idea, okay, where do I think I want to start biting into, some longs. In any case, like I said before, the 75 and 100 day is what I would be looking at, and we blew through that, and we're getting close now. And I marked this just because this coincides with the inverted, or I'm sorry, the head and shoulder pattern that I was talking about. And below this, between that and the 200 day, I think is going to be fantastic if we can get down there. I would very much like to see that happen. So, okay, looking at SPY daily volume, myself reduced out of the picture here. Well, we just saw this huge gap down and profit taking going on. Definitely, sizable increase in volume here. And the daily RSI, not focusing too much on that because we could get well below the oversold levels on the RSI. So this volume node here looks like a good first support, but I'm leaning to a point of control move that consequently is coinciding with our head and shoulder pattern. We were hinting at some climaxing volume, but that didn't happen. We had a really nice indication today of bearish activity, and I don't see anything bullish on this chart at all, really. Okay, moving down to the hourly, there's some positive signs, but nothing much. There's a decrease and then increase of volume over here, increasing on the move down, maybe a little bit of climaxing, and institutional interest starting. Now, I don't think that there's going to be any, big huge bounce anytime soon. I think this well-anticipated, uh, summer slowdown is well anticipated, and I think it's going to be great to see a lot of this unfold. Not looking too much into the volume by price right now on the hourly. Okay, on the 30 minute, pretty much confirms what we're looking at the hourly in terms of volume increases here, although bearish is hinting at some institutional interest along the way. And this is an interesting candle. The buying kicks in with an increase of volume and closes on the lows gravestone style. And an indecision doji at the end of the day. And this is just looking like the beginnings of some bearish activity to me. Little buying it along the way, and that's close of the day. So, all negative bias on the RSI, and that's the 30-minute time frame. Of course, now I'm also now looking at the US dollar, and I don't know, it's getting to the rejection off of the point of control here. If the dollar falls, maybe we might see some love in the stock market, but I think it'll be short term. At least I'm hoping for a good summer correction. I think that would just be lovely. So that's what I've got. Go into a lot more stuff about this and that in my trading log and hotstockmarket.com. So you can check out my trading log here. Go into a lot more detail, and you can find, there's groups, and there's my trading log right there, group. So that's all I got for a video today, and I'll see you at Hot Stock Market.